Basset Hound. So his family actually just got him about a month ago, and we just want some help with our basic obedience, and the big thing is recall, pulling on the leash, and not sniffing everything and getting carried away. So let's see what he already knows. Goose, come! Goose! Yeah, good boy! Good job! Goose, sit! Goose! Can you sit? No? Okay. Place! Come on! Place! Come on! Place! Oh, where are you going? No, you don't want to? Okay. Goose. Yep! Come on! Yep! Good boy! So that's what he already knows. So next time check in with us after 2 weeks and you'll see what he's learned.